videos are there for daily job notification as well as interview tips. So if you have come first time in our channel and if you want this type of notification and this type of jobs, real job updates, then you can subscribe our channel. So for these job updates you will no required to uh, give any application fee. I basically discuss about the off campus placement, so you will achieve the first job with our channel, and with the help of our channel you will get the all placement solutions. So if you want to get this type of news and this type of help from our channel, you can subscribe and you can share this video with your friends. In today's video I will going to discuss about 5 big job notification. So first one, you can see Adobe Off Campus Drive. They are hiring for the member of technical staff, and CTC is very good here. CTC is 22 LPA. So at starting of your career, you are getting this type of product based job opportunity. I think you were very much interested. I will discuss all the details about this job notification, and also in today's video I will discuss about Dell Off Campus Drive, Accenture Off Campus Drive, Nielsen Off Campus Drive, and Amazon Off Campus Drive. So total 5 job notification. So don't skip this video. You want to get the exam details as well as the registration process, I will definitely guide you guys. So let's start. First job notification is about the Adobe. So the job profile will be your member of technical staff. Your location will be Noida or Bangalore. As I mentioned, salary is 22 LPA. Okay, CTC is 22 LPA, including the variables. So what will be your main working there or main role there? Contribute extensively in analysis, design and programming for their major and dot software releases. Interface with product management, so it's a product based company. All of you have used Adobe Acrobat, Adobe Reader, so all these Adobe products are the actual product by this Adobe company. So it's a product based company, so that's why the CTC is there offering very good. So basically you have to proactive self starter who can develop the methods, address board of the architecture, provide strategic direction in evaluating new technologies. So you have to be very good in programming. And the BTech candidates for CS, IT, EC and triple E guys are eligible for it, and passing year must be 2021. So for the 2021 batch, it's a very big opportunity of getting highest salary, 22 LPA from Adobe. Percentage criteria for 10th and 12th is 60% and BTech is 70%. So basically they have mentioned their career path, like first you will be member of technical staff, then after getting promotion you will be level 2, then computer scientist level, then senior computer scientist level, then principal computer scientist, director, senior engineering manager and engineering manager. So these are the career paths in Adobe. So I think you were interested, so you have to click on apply link. It will redirect to the career page of the Adobe. So you can once again check their website and check the job notification. It is clearly mentioned here. It's a not fake opportunity. It's a real opportunity. 22 LPA job it is. So you have to just click on apply now. You have to do the registration with through the firstnaukri.com profile. You have to create your profile. If you have profile, then you can simply log in with your email address and password. If you don't have, then you have to register first. You have to sign up with your name, email address and password. After register for free, you need to give your educational details, like your graduate or postgraduate details or your personal information you need to fill there. Then only you will be able to apply for Adobe. So this is the first job notification. If you guys faced any challenge, you can let me know in the comment section, and also you can follow me in the Instagram, job updates by Verma. You can directly message me there. I will try to solve your doubts. Next job notification which has come from Dell Technologies. So it's again off campus drive by Dell. They are hiring freshers for software engineer position. So your location of hiring is Bangalore. DB Tech, MEM Tech job it is. Your job description is basically there, like the software engineering team delivers the next generation software application. As software engineer you will be less responsible for escalation engineering to maintain the CEE Unity product line. You will work as various sustenance engineering team resolving customer escalations. So it's also a laptop product based company. Dell, as we know about it, performing code jump analysis, GNU tools, analyzing TCP IP traces. So the basic you will work their good debugging skills. You must have performed code dump analysis. So every Dell Technology team member brings something unique to the table, so that's actually they are looking. Essential requirement or the main criteria: entry level position requiring base knowledge of programming language, operating system and databases, very much important, and very good knowledge. Debugging skills must be good for simple programs using either written or verbal design specification. A good understanding of hardware and software interaction, first-hand experience with server, storage, networking, and client technologies, insight into the software architecture. So, desirable candidate, those who have first-hand experience gathered during an internship, student job, or related professional role, you can apply. Okay, just you have to click on apply link. The website will open to you. So then you just need to go through, and it's this job notification. You can check here, Bangalore software engineer position 1. Just you need to click on apply now. You can once again go through the notification. Here also the salary will be very good, more than 4.5 LPA. So just you need to click on apply now. The registration form will be open to you, and you have to just register and apply, and this process is very simple, no complication is there. I think if you face any challenge, you can let me know. You have to do a sign in and apply, otherwise you have to create your account, then you have to fill your personal details and educational details and experience details. If you have done any internship or not, you can share that thing. After doing sign in, you need to apply for the software engineer 1 position. So I have discussed the second job notification also. Now I comes to the third job notification, which has come from Amazon. So Amazon also having software developer engineer position. It's a BTech MEM Tech job. Freshers are required. So job ID is 1611968. Just keep in mind this one. And basically you will be a teams, you will be part of the team where WWRR and S is an agile environment. You will work with the team. As a member of this team, your mission will be design, develop and document support massively scalable using C++, Java, object oriented design pattern and distributed real time systems. In these technologies you will work. They are actually looking for software engineer with 0 to 1 year experience of solid software engineering experience, okay, to solve complex problems. So now I will discuss the basic qualification required for this drive in Amazon. You have to have programming experience, knowledge at least one modern language like Java, C++ or C Sharp, including object oriented design. Programming experience with at least one modern language is there, obviously 0 to 1 year experience of software development experience in Java. BS in computer science or equivalent are eligible, that is BSc are also eligible in computer science. Firm understanding of software development principle required. Programming in one or more object language like Java, Python, C Sharp, Ruby, Object C, plus plus will be plus point. Ability to communicate effectively with the employees, ability to architect new and customer experience, ability to deep dive into client or server system. So these are the main thing they are asking. The preferred qualification: MS in computer science or equivalent is required, like MSc or MS you have done. 0 to 1 year experience in software development, experience in developing high quality large scale consumer application, experience in developing hybrid native HTML mobile application, mastery in tools of the trade including variety of modern programming language Java, JavaScript, C, C++, Object-C, Python, Ruby or C Sharp. So you need to just click on apply link. It will redirect to the career page. So they are hiring for the Hyderabad location. So you just need to click on apply now. Then you have to enter your email address, and by entering your email address you just need to continue to here, or you can simply do your login with Amazon if you have account. Otherwise you just need to click on the um, create your Amazon account, then your name, email, password. After creation you need to do a mandatory sign in and apply for this drive. So now the fourth job notification which has come from Nielsen. They are hiring for data mapping editor position. So company is Nielsen, all over 44,000 people works worldwide. It's a American company. The location they are asking, or they are hiring for Mumbai. The profile is data mapping editor, freshers required. Here any graduate can apply. So as an data mapping editor, you have to perform metadata editing functions related ongoing development and creation of the media database. Responsibilities like you have to acquire, normalize, enhance entertainment metadata, analyze TV program schedules, maintain accurate database, ensure the accuracy of editorial listing, analyze program information provided by source. So qualification asking there, any graduate can apply. Excellent written and verbal English skill is required. Good internet search profiles required. Excellent keyboarding skills are expected. Preferred skills like a quality focused individual with high level of attention required. Desired skills ready to work in a 24/7 operation including evening, night and weekend shifts. Strong organizational grammatical analytical skill you must have. Okay, just you need to go to their website and you just need to click on apply now, and salary will be good there for LPA. You just need to click on apply now. Here one LinkedIn application is also available. You can apply through your LinkedIn profile, otherwise you just need to open the form and you need to upload your resume, your email address, password, first name, last name, address, country, city, desired salary rate, source details, how you find this opportunity, are you willing to relocate, are you legally authorized to work in the country which you are applying, your gender, statement of agreement, and country of residence type signature, then apply. So this is the simple application process in Nielsen. Okay. So let me know if you face any challenge in the comment box, and don't forget to share this video with your friends, because 5 job notification is very good and you are getting in one video. So try to share this video with your friends. Okay. So the last for today's video is the Accenture of Campus Drive. So Accenture of Campus Drive, it's hiring for associate software engineer position, and degree required is B, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc are eligible. Batch eligible is 2019, 2020 and 2021. Experience required is 0 to 1 year. Salary is 4.5 LPA, very good salary. Your working location will be Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Mumbai, Pune, Gurugram. So what you will do there? Design, build and test, assemble, support, configure application, understand the business drivers, responsible for incident resolution. So basically what they are needing, ability to anticipate and resolve business issues, multidisciplinary and versatile with aptitude, deliver code, flexibility to relocate for project deployment to any part of the India and work in 24/7 shifts for the business requirement. So these qualification are preferred. If you have this qualification, then it's a plus point for selection in Accenture. Basic understanding on ABAP development on HANA, CDS, AMDP, performance analysis, experience or knowledge in configuration, customization of Salesforce.com applications, good working knowledge in J2E and full stack development, knowledge and development experience of .NET, ASP.NET and ASP.NET MVC. So I think those who are meeting this qualification criteria, those can apply. Click on the apply link. So this is mainly the career page. Here's some do's and don'ts are present for the registration form. Like you have to give your first name, last name, should have 2 or more characters. At least one name should match with your PAN card, passport size photo, government ID proof card, not the Xerox one, the correct one you have to upload. Then I'm not a robot, just click on next. Then you have to fill this registration form, this job role, how you find this job, male, female, personal details, name, university registration number, email ID, mobile number, date of birth, your educational details, and your professional details if you have any experience or not, your skills, your certification detail, language of certification, preferred job location you can give here from the list. 3 preferred location you can give. If you have any gap in your education, if you have any backlog, you are Indian citizen or not, your CV and your passport size photo and your college ID card, government photo ID card, any one like PAN card you need to give here. Okay. Then if you are a PWD candidate, then some declaration, and after that you need to submit. So these are the main process for applying this job notification in Accenture for the associate software engineer position. So hope this is really helps you guys. Please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. We will meet in next video with new job updates. Take care.